Hey, Riley, what you up to?
Just getting ready for winter storage.
Oh, I was just coming to ask you about it, actually. I was going to say, what's it all entail? What things are we offering?
Yeah.
I got a lot of questions about it, so I wanted to make a quick video. So this was convenient. It wasn't set up at all.
So what kind of questions you got?
Well, what are the packages that we offer?
Yeah, so we offer a basic winter storage package. And that's just winter storage all the way through the to the end of April. We're accepting bikes right now. And basically all it is, we're gonna do a 10-point safety inspection of the bike. We're gonna do a copper and wash on there, put some fuel stable in there, and then we put under a breathable cover in our back warehouse.
Okay.
65 degrees all winter long back there, and then we rotate battery tenders on them to maintain battery.
Gotcha. What's after that? What if I wanted to go a little bit bigger?
Yeah, so we have a premium and legendary packages. And that's for work that is done over winter.
Okay.
So if you spend $500 or more on parts and labor, you get 10% discount on the parts, and you'll get free winter storage. So we'll store that bike all winter long and do the work that you wanted to get done anyway. Then if you go legendary, that's if you get over $1,000. Then you pay 10% off your parts, 10% off your labor, and then you still have that free winter storage, and then you also get the number 2 deluxe wash.
Gotcha. Okay. So hypothetically, let's say if I wanted to go from 16-inch Carlinis and I wanted to do like, I don't know, 18s, 20s, or do they make 30s? If I did like 30-inch 8s?
I don't know if you can reach that high.
Okay, well, okay.
But
Still,
yeah, so if you wanted to upgrade, it's something you've been wanting to do for a while. You're
Okay.
going to do to your work anyway. Maybe some maintenance stuff you've been putting off. If you do that over winter, you'll get that big discounts on the parts and labor. It goes
Gotcha.
over $1,000, and then free winter storage.
Yeah.
All
So if
winter
anyone,
long.
if anyone has a question, obviously, number is 715-355-4464. Ask for Riley or Ryan. We'll get it handled, and we'll take care of your baby over the winter. Thanks, guys. Okay, bye, Riley.
See ya. Have you seen my beach ball? It's about this big.